Often called a bimac, the California Two-Spot Octopus is native to the Pacific Ocean and can be found along the coast of California and western coast of Baja California, mostly in the intertidal zone. This friendly and highly intelligent octopus gets its name from the two iridescent blue spots below its real eyes, which provide the illusion of larger eyes to ward off predators, and to look really cool. This octopus is 90% muscle and grows as big as 23 inches from arm tip to tip. It has a donut-shaped centralized brain, 2 gills, and blue blood pumped by 3 hearts. 2 of the hearts pump blood to the gills, and the third heart pumps to the body. Technically, it has 9 brains, each of its 8 arms possessing a mini-brain, allowing for independent movement. These sucker-dotted arms can regrow and use chemoreceptors to taste things. The California Two-Spot uses a siphon for jet propulsion, during which its systemic heart stops beating. This is why it prefers to crawl along to avoid exhaustion. It primarily breathes through its 2 gills, however, it can perform passive diffusion, absorbing oxygen directly through its skin as long as its body is wet, allowing it to survive 10 to 30 minutes out of water. It's best to return an octopus to water within 5 minutes. The two-spot is usually gray, green, and yellow, but it can rapidly alter its body's color and texture. It has chromatophores, which are sacs of elastic pigment expanded and contracted by muscle fibers to immediately change color. Body texture is changed by muscle bundles under its skin, called papillae, to create bumps, spikes, or ridges. The two-spot is nocturnal, preying on hermit crabs, snails, limpets, or whatever its heart's desire. Grasping firmly to its prey, it uses a hardened, chitinous beak to crunch softer shells, but can also use its spiky tongue, called a radula, to drill a hole. Once the fleshy part is accessed, the octopus injects venomous saliva to paralyze and liquefy its victim, so it can easily be sucked out. Yum! The bimac has an ink sac located near its digestive tract and attached to its siphon, spurting a dark pigment primarily made of melanin, the same chemical that colors human skin and hair. It stains, by the way. It's capable of ejecting 2 types of ink clouds to escape predators, a smokescreen and a pseudomorph. The smokescreen is an ink cloud intended to blind a predator while the octopus slips away. The pseudomorph is a special brew of ink infused with mucus to create a dense blob roughly the same size as the octopus. Predators attack the inky visage instead, and the bimac lives another day. Chemical irritants in the ink can affect a predator's vision or sense of smell. The ink is so potent that an octopus that releases it in a small confined space is at risk of self-toxicity and death. They mate and reproduce only once. The female lays an average of 70,000 eggs. She remains with her eggs until they hatch, and her body gradually deteriorates, usually ending in her death. Oh, and they also make great pets. And that's the California Two-Spot Octopus.
Subscribe if you want to see more sea creatures.